Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each cold winter weather heated jacket and vest in this video will offer different options depending on which specific functions and types of vests or jackets meet your warm clothing needs and/or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of jackets and vests and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. So let's get started. The heated vest coming in now is the PROSmart Unisex heated vest. This unisex lightweight heated vest has two heated zones made from carbon fibre. It heats the core body areas of the upper and lower back, yet it is easily worn with your everyday clothes. There are three heating levels that heat up within a minute, simply controlled by a rubber button. Red is high, white is medium and blue is low, which means more flexibility according to the weather or environment, making your life much simpler. The PROSmart Unisex heated vest has a rechargeable battery that has 10 hours of battery life, keeping you warm all day. It is constructed from high quality fleece, plus there is a zipped pocket to store your phone safely. Next on our list of heated vest recommendations is the ORORO Women's Lightweight Heated Vest. This classic design, multi-purpose heated vest provides core warmth without restricted mobility, as it has 4 heat zones that cover the core body areas at the front, back and neck. Plus it has a comfy, soft lining. It provides long-lasting warmth with a 7.4 volt rechargeable battery, which can be adjusted by pressing the temperature level buttons on the front of the vest from high, medium or low. The ORORO Women's Lightweight Heated Vest has a durable zipper and is wind and water resistant, yet it's machine washable as it is constructed to be washed on 50 plus machine wash cycles. Now on our heated vest recommendations is the ORORO Men's Heated Vest. This core body warmth heated vest is a neat tailored design. It is constructed from 4 carbon fibre heating elements that are cozy around the neck, mid-back and under the front 2 pockets. It is powered by a 7.4 volt battery that is rechargeable and provides up to 10 hours of long-lasting warmth depending on which of the 3 heat settings it is used. Plus it has a handy USB port. The ORORO Men's Heated Vest comes in 4 colours and 6 sizes. It is made from 100% nylon with a durable zipper and is machine washable, so perfect for any cold weather wintry day. The heated jacket coming up now is the DEWBU Men's Heated Jacket. This heavy duty, practically designed heated jacket has 5 heat zones, 2 on the belly, 2 in the arms and a large one in the back, powered by a 12 volt lithium ion battery. The temperature heating mode ranges from high at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 4 hours to medium at 125 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 6 hours and low at 110 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 10 hours, yet it is hand or machine washable. The DEWBU Men's Heated Jacket is windproof, snow and water resistant, achieved by using Lotus Bionic technology, so water or snow molecules do not penetrate but simply slide off the fabric. Finally, the heated jacket that we recommend is the ORORO Women's Heated Jacket. This slim fit design provides long-lasting warmth without being bulky in 3 heat zones, front, left and right chest and mid-back, all powered by a 7.4 volt battery. The zones heat up within seconds. The settings can be set to high, medium or low by the simple push of a button and can last for up to 10 hours depending on the setting used. The ORORO Women's Heated Jacket comes in 4 colours and 5 sizes. The outside is water resistant fabric, plus it has a detachable hood, fleece lined cuffs and is machine washable. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful heated clothing tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.